Alright, day 2, and we're gonna go over that mountain. Oh, it's a bit cold. It's 9 in the morning. It was supposed, the weather apps are all saying it was gonna be 5 degrees. We woke up and it was hot as hell. I'm gonna go down the sketchy route. It might have been a bad idea. Holy flip. Oh, that was a definite bad idea, I think. Oh my god. It's all off camber loose rock. Also, WP suspension coming in clutch. Because I can just hit these ruts like nothing before. Oh my god. It's so dusty. This is so cool. Jesus. That is a gnarly hill that we're gonna attempt. God damn. I'm gonna wait a little bit. Alright, now I'm gonna go. Oh my word! I mean, it actually wasn't as bad as I remember. We did it in a Hilux, and it was pretty loose. Oh my god. God damn. Oh my god. Oh. Oh Jesus. Alright, we're gonna open this gate quickly. Go past the gate. Look at that view, there's all wind turbines up there if you can see it from the sun. Oh, this is awesome. This feels like Cape Dirt. Goddamn. This is so sick. Brembo's working extra hard. Hey. I hate this off-camber stuff, it's horrible. So, I'm just going to run you through some things. That bike, the KDX 200, can do about 60 Ks on a tank. My 150 can do about 80. And last time we were here, we got to 16 Ks and then got a puncture. And we thought we were quite far out. It was 16 Ks. And this farm is probably 30 Ks or 40 Ks long. So yeah. Oh my god, why did I go this way? That's just rutty. This and the Hilux would be horrible now. There was a stock Ranger that last night came over the hill and we're like, what the hell? 2x4 and everything. But that's traction control in those Fords are amazing. So they can just climb anything. I think it might have been a 2x4, otherwise if it's a 4x4 even better. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my word. Thank you, Brembos. Holy. Oh my days. Oh. I'm just using the front brake. That's how good these brakes are. Can stop in an instant. Yay. Look at the scenery. Look at that. Oh my days. Oh, Springbok. This scenery is awesome. Oh, how I love this. Is why I ride, man. Yeah. Oh my word. God damn, my rear suspension must be cooked. Goddamn, wasn't watching the road. Okay. Looking at the scenery, and I went straight into a hole. Oh, this is awesome. And it's like the best temperature too, so it's just like peak riding right now, brother. Jesus. Lots of off-camber things. Oh, this is so nice. The scenery is just unbeatable. Oh my god. It's just a touch bumpy, but that's about it. Oh, that was sick. These little jump things, or they're not actually jumps, meant to keep sand and water from eroding the track. It's so much fun to just jump. Goddamn. Oh, this is beautiful. Alright, we've gone through that gate. Found my dad's chain guide is missing 2 bolts, so the chain's super loose. But it's not ideal, but it's fine. We can ride with it. Man, I love the suspension. I'm just sitting and it's like a couch. Whereas if my dad does that, his back's dead. And that was a neutral. His back's dead and his bike would probably die. I don't know. That bike has horrible suspension. God damn. Oh my god. Flipping out, must be muddy. Jesus, Dad. Brembos, thank you for saving me. Oh, by the way, I'm not sponsored by Brembo. I just love them. I'd love to be sponsored by Brembo. But all my bikes have come with Brembos. Actually, not the DLZ, but my 85 came with a Brembo front and rear. This came with a Brembo front and rear. So, yeah. It's like ideal. Look at this, flat for days. That's crazy. It's just, it's just crazy. This scenery. I love that we get to call this place home. South Africa. Nothing could beat it in my eyes. Oh my god. This is the hill. Yeah. Alright, here is a hill. This road goes to a hill that is really steep, and actually somebody doing it had their quad light on fire because it got so hot from overheating. And we're attempting it. Wrong way! Holy fuck! It was not like this last time I was here. That's a rock and a half. Jesus, Dad. I jumped there out of nowhere. And yes, this is an actual track. This is for cars to go down and up. And we're doing it on bikes, which is easier, but it's also, you could bring adventure bikes here. That's the popular thing to bring to this place when people come. Ooh, water. Massive hole. Jesus, is that mud? Oh. Oh my word. Oh, I'm sliding. Oh, he's... Oh my god. Enduro KDX. I don't... What's nice with me is I don't have to worry about a puncture, because I have mooses and he does not, so he can get a puncture easily. I have to really work to get a puncture, which I don't really want to do. It's kind of far away out right now. Oh, this is beautiful. Alright, the trail was completely left to chat. What is this? I somehow don't remember this trail being this long. Oh my god, it's quite loose out here. Jesus, lots of things you can't see. Ah, another gate. This one's kind of open. That's broken the lever. is, you can see it now. Lekkeslaap. The infamous God damn. Ow, that was a thorn bush. I rode straight through. Alright, we have entered Lekkeslaap. Let's get up this thing. Nope. Lekkeslaap.
Ready for Lekkeslaap?
Yeah. I'll let it go a little bit further. One thing you always do is let the guy in front of you go further when it's a hill, because you don't know if he's going to stop and then you're going to collide into him. So I always do that. I've driven the Hilux up this. Let me just tell you, it was sketch. Oh my billy goat! Yeah. Sit on the front end. Oh my days, where did my dad go? Where did he go? He just kind of went down and then... Oh, please don't have had a bad crash. You good? Dad? You okay? Oh. Alright, I guess we're going down it now. You okay? I'm gonna use this. Did you go all the way? Did you roll down? Oh my god. I'm gonna stop this. Try, go back down and come back up again. You're not gonna be able to start here. Oh. More. Yes. Let's go! Alright. Now time for me to get around. Oh. Just gonna do this. Oh no. This may have been a bad idea. I'm just gonna drag this. Okay, we're gonna do that way. Okay. I need to work on my pivot turns, huh?
Just look at how steep that pass is.
Yeah.
You can't even see it from here. It's just whoop.
Alright, I'm gonna stop it here. I'm gonna enjoy the view. Alright, we made up Lekkeslaap. We're heading down now. Not Lekkeslaap, we're going, this is the other route that goes down Lekkeslaap. But yeah, that was pretty interesting to say. Oh my god. Uh-oh. That suspension just soaked it up. Oh, why'd I go down here? There we go. Okay. Goddamn! They're not even running! Thank God, because if one of them runs in front of us, we're dead! Haha! See ya, Rooilande and Zebra! Oh, my speedo isn't working. Now we gotta go down this mountain. Gotta watch out for any cars. Alright, be careful now.
You're going.
Yeah.
God, where the houses are and how steep this is.
Back brake is gonna be used, should I say.
I hardly have a back brake.
Oh, you don't have any brakes,
I
technically.
hardly have any brakes. My legs are crap, my backs are hardly there. So I might go down a bit faster than you. On my backside.
Oh, God. I got dual Brembos, I'm fine. Riding my brakes down this steep hill. Actually, you can just use the compression. You don't even have to use the rear brake. Holy, this Brembo's. I'm like zero foot brake. This is just full compression, even though it's a two-stroke. Full compression and full front brake. Look at that! So controlled. Brembo, please sponsor me. I love your brakes. Oh yeah. Yeah, he saw it. Right, we're gonna go home. I'll start recording if there's any crashes. See ya when we're home. Is it recording? Yes. Look, springbok. South Africa's national, or South Africa's animal. The springbok. Eland! Oh my days! Eland! We got eland there, eland here. I'm gonna go slow because I don't want them to be scared or anything. Shame. Oh yeah, here we go. There we go, made it through. This had turned into an entire enduro course, this road. Yeah, this is interesting. Look at this. This wasn't here last time. Holy flip! Got my dad trying the rivet. Approaching the Springbokker. Look at him. Springbok. The hell is that tile doing? Look at him. Springbooking.
What's up, everyone? I forgot to do an outro for this entire video. Day 2 was one of the best days. My dad actually slipped down the hill. That was hilarious. Still laughed at today. And thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. It really means a lot. And there's day 3 coming out soon. That'll be the last day. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.